Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I gonna help some of the students to prepare for the SAT math. Um, so basically, SAT math include two module, and if you do good, do well on the first module, the module two will be much more difficult. And each module will contain 27 questions. So on the first page of the test, it is the exam cover sheet. So it's gonna provide you some of the formula and equation to find a area and volume of certain shape. As you can see here, it's like over there, it is a as oh my god, I forgot it. It is cylinder, this is sphere, this is cone, and this is a pyramid. So and on the next page, it's like some of the instructions, and you can read through it by yourself. So let's go to the first 5 questions of this module 1. So let's start with number 1. So the table summarizes the UV index value recorded by a research assistant at noon each day for 49 days. So here's the table. So this is like a frequency table. So for the UV index of 1, it's gonna repeat 9 times. So it's mean 9 day in 49 9 of 49 day will have a UV index of 1, and same with UV index 2, 3, and 4. So the questions is ask us to so according to the table, a UV index value of 1 was recorded on how many days. So keyword is UV index value of 1, so we have to look for 1, and 1 is over here. Number of days is 9, so the answer is B. This is kind of like just reading, and it's not difficult because it's the first one, so yeah, it's kind of easy. So next, to make a bookcase, a woodworker charge a one-time fee plus $7 per hour work. The equation 17h plus 45 equal to 164 represent this situation, where h is the number of hour works. Which of the following is best interpretation of 164 in this context? So 164 in this context is the total money that a woodworker charge. So 45 is the one-time fee, and then 17 is like a additional fee for an hour work. So we have the keyword is total. So we go through the answer joins. So the one-time fee not correct, the number of hour work not correct, the charge per hour in dollar not correct, the total charge. So what we find, so it is D. So moving on to number 3. In December 2017, the lowest temperature recorded in a certain city was 45 degrees Fahrenheit, and the highest temperature recorded was 90 Fahrenheit. Which inequality is true for all value of T, where T represent any temperature in Fahrenheit recorded in its city in December 2017. So we know that the temperature will be between 40 and 90 because the lowest is 40 and the higher is 90. So we just change it to the language of math, and it's gonna be greater and equal to 40 and smaller and or equal to 90. So the answer is A. So moving on to number 4, the function f is defined by fx equal to 6 bracket open bracket 2x plus 4 close bracket. For what value of x does fx equal to 45? So we have to set this equation, set up the equation. So fx equal to 6 open bracket 2x plus 4, so it's gonna equal to 45, and all you're gonna do is to do basic algebra. So you have 2x plus 4 equal to 48 divided by 6, so it's gonna give you 8, and you get rid of 4 by subtract both side by 4, and you have 2x equal to 4, and then x equal to 4 divided by 2, and it's gonna give you 2. So the value of x will the value of x is 2, and it's give you fx equal to 45. So the answer is A. Moving on to number 5. So basically all of this gonna give you the instruction of how to type your answer in the answer box, and you don't need to put it. Basically you only need to express the answer by the fraction. Yeah, it's gonna always correct. Yeah, you can see over here. Yeah, so the ratio of green tie to green to blue in a piece of artwork is 5 to 2. If there are 16 blue equal to 16 in the piece of artwork, how many green ties are there? So green is the value that you want to find, and B you have that it is equal to 16, so you go ahead and substitute it to the equation and set it equal to 5 over 2, and all you're gonna do is to transform this 16 to the other side, and it's gonna give you the answer. So you have 5 multiplied by 8, and it's gonna equal to 40. So the answer is 40. So this is the first 5 questions. You can see that it's kind of easy. Just read through the question thoughtfully and answer it. It's really easy for a couple of first question, and it's gonna get harder and harder when you came to the end of the test. So thank you for watching.